how to use Google Ads to promote your YouTube channel. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can use Google Ads to promote your YouTube channel. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the Google Ads website on your laptop or PC. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Over here, you have to click on New Campaign. After that, you have to choose your campaign objective. So just click on the last option where it says Create a campaign without a goals guidance. After that, just scroll down and select your campaign type. Over here, you have to click on Video. After clicking on it, you have to scroll down and select the campaign's subtype. So just click on Drive Conversions. After that, just scroll down and click on Continue. After clicking on the Continue option, you will be redirected to this page. Over here, you have to just customize your ad according to your needs. First of all, you have to write the name of the campaign. After that, you have to select your targeted location. Then you have to select the languages that your targeted audience speaks. After that, you have to select your bid strategy. Then you have to select the budget that you want to spend on your ad and the starting date for your ad as well. Now just scroll down and write the ad group's name. After that, you have to create your audience that you want to reach under the audience section. So just click on Create Audience. Over here, you have multiple options from where you can create your audience. After creating your audience, you have to just click on Save. Then just paste your YouTube Shorts URL in this box. And at last, you have to just click on Create Campaign. So that's how you can use Google Ads to promote your YouTube channel. That's all for this video.